Welcome to St. Thomas School, Wednesday session, class 5th. Let us understand the map. Last time we had discussed that it is the map of Pranpur village. We have discussed the four direction: east, west, north and south. South side one house is there, north side wells are there, east side post office and related work is given. Look at the points given here: river, garden, post box, bird feed, ponds, school, hand pump, hospital, milk dairy, gram panchayat, etc. are located in the all four sides corner of it. Observe yourself and then study it. One more observation, they have suggested that read the district map and understand it. We are in Bhavnagar district, so if we get it the map of it, we can read it. Circulation of blood. If you heard the tick tick of watch, have you seen the doctor keeping stethoscope on the chest and hearing? The doctor is listening our beats. Calculated in a 1 minute. We have to observe the picture of our friend also. One friends is listening the beat of other friends in a 1 minute. Then we are counting of it. After counting, we are experienced that in a 1 minute it is the heartbeat is for the 68 to 72 times, so on as per normal measurement. If two friends are counting one another beats, then in normal condition and after running the beating is increasing. If you are asking your friends to run and calculate it, then it is increasing. Then let us go for the important topic of blood circulation. Our blood circulates in the body. We can understand by looking the picture given in the left side. Heart is the important organ associated with the circulation of blood. Human heart is slightly larger than the fist. Fist means all four fingers, and our thumb together we are folding. Then it is a one fist. It is slightly larger than that. It is protected inside the rib cage. The vessels are connected to the heart and it has two types. First is artery, second is vein. Artery showed here in red color and vein showed in a blue color. In our picture you can see it once again. Every last Sunday of September is celebrated as World Heart Day. Then there are some organs or blood vessels related with our organ system, such as digestive, respiratory and blood circulatory. Heart is related with blood, stomach with digestive, lungs with respiration, artery with circulation, mouth with digestion, vein with respiration. Small intestine is related with digestive system. That is a common science. This is homework point. What you are doing? You are joining the dots of heart given below and filling this all with the different colors. Then you will get one of the best example of it, of heart. Inside the heart there are many points also is given here. that also we can use it. Next session we shall more discuss about the heart. Till then I remain. Thank you.